Breaking news in the world of AI. OpenAI has just launched its newest feature, ChatGPT Canvas, and it's a massive update for anyone who uses AI for writing or coding. This isn't just another small tweak, it's a complete overhaul of the ChatGPT interface, and it's designed to make working with AI smoother, faster, and more efficient. But is it really the game changer it's being hyped up to be? Let's dive into the details of this update, explore the pros and cons, and see if it lives up to the buzz. OpenAI's Canvas. ChatGPT Canvas is the first major interface update since ChatGPT's release. OpenAI has introduced this new workspace to address some of the biggest frustrations users have had when working on complex projects. Instead of interacting with ChatGPT in a simple chat window, Canvas opens a separate, more flexible workspace where users can edit and collaborate on writing and coding projects. This is a big shift from the previous design, which limited users to generating long-form content without much control over how individual sections could be edited. What makes Canvas stand out is its versatility. It's designed to help users manage projects that require multiple edits, revisions, or even code debugging, tasks that were previously cumbersome in the basic chat interface. Currently, Canvas is available in beta for ChatGPT Plus and Team users, with a broader rollout expected soon for enterprise users. This initial release gives us a glimpse of the future of AI-driven productivity, but it also raises questions about its broader potential. Game changer for writers. One of the biggest advantages of Canvas is the new level of control it offers to writers. Previously, if you wanted to tweak a specific part of a text, you had to regenerate entire sections. Now, with Canvas, you can simply highlight the portion of the text you want to change, and ChatGPT will focus on that specific part. No need to rewrite everything. This feature is a major win for bloggers, content creators, and marketers who often have to make frequent revisions. For example, if you're working on a blog post and only want to adjust the introduction, you can highlight that section and give feedback like, "Make this more engaging," or "Shorten this paragraph." The AI will adjust the selected portion without touching the rest of the text, saving time and preventing unwanted changes. Canvas also allows users to adjust the reading level of the text, whether you're writing for a professional audience or aiming for a simpler, more accessible style. Need to add a bit of personality? The emoji integration feature is designed for content creators who want to spice up their writing with a little flair. While this might seem like a minor feature, it could be useful for those working on social media posts or other informal content. However, it's not all perfect. While the editing control is a game changer, the interface might still feel a bit overwhelming for those unfamiliar with these features. It's clear that OpenAI is pushing the envelope on flexibility, but the learning curve could be steep for new users who aren't used to working with more complex interfaces. Canvas for coders. For coders, Canvas is a breath of fresh air. The new features aim to address one of the biggest complaints about using ChatGPT for coding: managing revisions. With Canvas, coders can now get inline code reviews, meaning you can focus on specific lines of code that need changes instead of having the entire code base rewritten. This is a huge improvement over the older version of ChatGPT, where a single mistake would often result in ChatGPT regenerating large blocks of code, making it hard to track revisions. Another useful feature is debugging support. Canvas allows users to add logs and comments directly into their code, helping to clarify and track changes in a much more organized manner. Coders can also use the porting feature, which allows for the translation of code between different languages, including Python, JavaScript, C++, and others. This feature can be especially helpful for developers working across different platforms or integrating multiple programming languages into a project. Despite these advancements, there are some limitations. The porting feature, while impressive, is still in its early stages, and some users have reported that it struggles with more complex code bases. Additionally, while the AI is good at suggesting improvements, it's not perfect, and some users have found that it makes occasional mistakes when it comes to more intricate coding tasks. That said, the ability to fix bugs and provide inline suggestions is a major step forward in how AI can assist developers. User experience and interface improvements. One of the most striking aspects of the new ChatGPT Canvas is the revamped user interface, which has been designed to improve how users interact with AI, especially for complex, ongoing projects. In this new setup, Canvas opens a separate window from the main chat, allowing users to seamlessly work side by side with ChatGPT. This setup is particularly useful when juggling multiple tasks, such as writing and coding, or when working on larger projects that require detailed revisions. Previously, users had to regenerate entire sections of text or code if they needed any revisions, leading to a frustrating cycle of unnecessary content generation. With Canvas, users can now work in a more focused, segmented way. The macro overview provides a high-level view of your project, while the micro view lets you zoom in on specific parts, making detailed edits without losing sight of the larger task at hand. This structure is incredibly helpful for writers and coders managing large-scale or multi-phase projects. Moreover, the shortcut menu offers quick access to functions like adjusting text length, tweaking the reading level, or adding comments to code. This makes it easier for users to perform specific tasks without needing to issue new prompts continuously. The user interface is definitely cleaner and more intuitive, helping users work more efficiently with the AI. But, like any beta release, there's still some room for improvement. While it's clear OpenAI is aiming to streamline the process, some users have reported that they still find the interface a bit crowded, especially when dealing with multiple tasks at once. Future of AI collaboration and Canvas. The introduction of Canvas signals a broader shift in how AI will be integrated into daily workflows. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's clear that tools like Canvas are designed to bridge the gap between simple AI assistance and fully integrated AI collaboration. With Canvas, OpenAI is positioning itself as a leader in the emerging field of AI-enhanced project management. This new interface gives users more control over their interactions with AI, allowing for deeper collaboration and more efficient task management. One of the most exciting aspects of Canvas is its potential to be integrated into larger, more complex workflows. For instance, as more companies adopt AI-driven platforms, tools like Canvas could become essential for creative teams, software developers, and even educators. Imagine a future where AI not only helps write code, but also provides feedback on team projects, tracks changes, and helps resolve conflicts in real time. These possibilities make Canvas a promising step toward a future where AI is a true collaborative partner, not just a tool. However, it's important to note that Canvas is still in its early stages. While the current features are impressive, the platform will likely evolve significantly as it collects user feedback and data. The future of AI collaboration depends on how well these tools can be adapted to meet user needs, and whether they can overcome some of the limitations present in early releases. Limitations and room for improvement. While Canvas has certainly introduced some exciting new features, it's not without its drawbacks. One area where users have expressed concern is the learning curve associated with using the new interface. For those who are used to the simplicity of the previous chat-based interface, the additional functionalities of Canvas might feel overwhelming at first. While the ability to work on more complex tasks is a huge benefit, it also comes with a level of complexity that may take time for users to adjust to. Another limitation lies in the AI's handling of more intricate coding tasks. While the new code review and debugging features are helpful, they're not foolproof. There have been reports of the AI still making occasional errors, particularly when dealing with more complex or multi-layered code bases. Additionally, the porting feature, which allows users to translate code from different programming languages, is still in its infancy. While it works well for simpler tasks, it struggles with more advanced conversions, leaving room for improvement in future updates. Lastly, while the overall user experience has been improved, there are still some concerns about how well the system will scale. As more users adopt Canvas, there may be challenges with performance, especially for large, resource-heavy projects. OpenAI will need to continue refining the platform to ensure that it remains efficient and user-friendly, even as it grows in complexity. So, what do you think of Canvas? Is it the game changer it's being made out to be, or is there still work to be done? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.